Sprunki in pink. Can you see her just a little bit longer? Please! Girls, we need a full night's sleep for your first day of school tomorrow. But we're not sleepy. What's a good rescue at the ready for your big day? Okay. We on the wheel. With this new wake up wonder alarm clock. Fancy! Doesn't play music. It plays all kinds of wake up sounds. And look. And it always set the window shade. Wonderful! Shall we wake up to morning meadow? Sunrise sippity. How about baby boogie? Oh, just something central, please. I'll stick to the basic beat. Sweet dreams. Good night, boys and girls. Nighty night. Good night, Sprunki White. Good night. Joho, Kinaupe. Didn't feel He's still asleep. I we said it. Good nighty night. Capitana! Do you mind? I need my early sleep. Higher but what's this time? I'm finally figuring it out. Good night. Good night. Do 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 do. Mama. No 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 no. Huh? Do 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 do. Oh. Do 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 do. Oh. Sprunki White. Quick, help me set the sheave. What's going on loud? Stop the popping for your dreams. Wake up. Nah. Got it. Phew. Oh, look out. More like a night.